How to send your boarding pass from Ryanair app to email. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to send your boarding pass from your Ryanair's app to your email. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up your Ryanair's app. Make sure that you are logged in. And once you are on your home page, first thing you have to do is tap on the boarding passes. So tap right here. And if you already have checked in, or if you already have your boarding pass, it will be shown right here. But if you haven't already gotten your boarding pass, then just go back and tap on check-in. Now you're just going to go ahead and tap on retrieve my booking. And here you can enter your reservation number and your email address. And once you enter your email address here, you just have to tap on get my booking. Make sure that your reservation number is correct. And from there, you can get your boarding pass and it will be sent to this email address right here. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.